Okay, in this video, we're going to be analyzing the secondary prompts from the George Washington University School of Medicine and Health Sciences, which is usually abbreviated as GWSMHS. This is one of the oldest medical schools in the country, and even though it's not ranked as highly as some of the bigger name med schools, it has a reputation for really high quality research, teaching, and care. And that reputation is definitely reflected in their super low acceptance rate that hovers around 2%. So, one thing that you should know about being a GW applicant is that they're especially focused on graduating what they call physician citizens. Basically, this means that they're looking for med students who want to dedicate their future careers to public service. They're affiliated with several hospitals, so there are tons of options for clinical experience, and their location in DC presents a lot of opportunities for global health as well. You'll want to demonstrate how these aspects of the school are a perfect fit for you in your essays, but more on that in just a minute. Before we get started, one thing we'd like to point out, if you're looking for a deep dive on how to write the best secondary essays, you can check out our YouTube series where we cover each of the 6 main secondary essay prompt categories. And you can also visit our secondary essay library, which has sample essays for each of these GW Med prompts, as well as for every other prompt required by US and Canadian med schools. Altogether, we have over 1,600 essays over there. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the first prompt for GW. So we'll be looking at the 24 to 25 prompts because they're the most recent ones available as we record this, but if they change, we will update the resources on our website. So the first few questions aren't actually essay prompts. They are a series of questions about your academic history and your preferred campus choice. And then question number 7 is a follow-up about your campus choice, and it does require an essay response. So let's go ahead and look at that one now. And something to keep in mind about GW Med's essays is that the character limit does not include spaces. So you'll have a little bit more room to write than you may think on these. So number 7 reads, if you selected Regional Medical Campus Preferred or Regional Medical Campus Only, please explain in detail your interest in the Regional Medical Campus and how it will be a good fit for your clinical education. You have 1,750 characters to respond, not including the spaces. Okay. So this is a version of the YS essay, but you should only respond to it if you indicated that you want to be considered for admission to the regional medical campus in your answer to question number 6. So with this type of essay, your goal should always be to demonstrate fit with the school or the specific program. And the best way to do that is by explaining how the school's values align with your own. So what unique opportunities do you plan to take advantage of there? And what do you want to give back to the school or the surrounding community? That last part is really especially important for this prompt because the regional medical campus places a very big emphasis on community and population health. So if you're not familiar with the RMC, it was established as a new GW campus in the spring of 2023, and it gives 3rd and 4th year GW Med students the option to do their clinicals at Sinai Hospital of Baltimore. So just to be clear, the hospital itself isn't new. It's been around for over 150 years. And all GW Med students spend their first 2 years at the main DC campus, but then students who applied to the RMC when submitting their secondaries will transition to Baltimore for those remaining 2 years. And just a heads up here, your choice is basically binding because they will only let you change your campus choice after being admitted to GW in really specific cases. So students at the RMC and the main campus use the exact same curriculum and they receive the exact same MD degree with the same accreditation when they graduate. GW also says that they use the same holistic process and criteria when reviewing applications for both campuses. So your choice of campus should really just be based on your own preference for the learning environment that you want to have and also for your career plans. Now, that said, in response to this essay, you'll want to explain specific aspects of the RMC that align with your own values and career goals. So, for example, you might want to mention some of their campus-specific community initiatives, like the Family Violence Prevention Program or the Perinatal Depression Outreach Program, or you might want to mention your interest in one of the specialties that they have a residency program for, like the OBGYN, orthopedics, or neurologic physical therapy programs. Moving on to the next prompt, number 8 reads, please provide the admissions committee with a brief summary of your activities, academics, employment, or other occupations to account for full-time activity, approximately 30 to 40 hours per week, from the point of application through matriculation. You'll need to respond in just 750 characters, but again, that doesn't include spaces. So for this one, if you are no longer in school, treat it like a gap year essay. But whether you're a current college student or you've already graduated, they just want a concise description of what your life will look like from now until you start med school. So you should prioritize describing medical related experiences, including classes, paid positions, research, and community service. But you can also mention other things that contribute to your 30 to 40 hours per week of activities. You probably did already mention a lot of those things in your work and activities section on the primary application, so it's totally fine to repeat yourself, but just try to add extra context where you can or provide insights into what these experiences meant to you. And you also want to be sure to mention anticipated experiences like future research or other roles that you already have lined up to start before med school. Okay, next up, number 9 reads, the MD program includes substantial content in clinical public health, population health, health system science, health policy, and community health to prepare GW graduates for an expanded scope of practice required to be successful 21st century physicians. What are your specific interests and experiences related to that aspect of the MD program? You only get 350 characters to respond to this one, not including spaces. So the good news is that number 11 is similar to this one, and they give you a lot more space to write a detailed response. So when you go to pre-write and draft your essays, we actually recommend working on number 9 and number 11 at the same time, so you can be strategic about choosing which details to mention in which essay without repeating yourself. We'll get to number 11 in just a moment, but basically it asks you to tell them what appeals to you about the MD program at GW in general, whereas this prompt asks you to write specifically about the clinical public health aspect of the program. And this is another variation of the Why Us essay like number 7, so demonstrating fit should really be your key objective here too. And thinking back to the point that we made earlier about GW's mission for creating physician citizens, remember that they're really focused on creating doctors who are fully invested in their communities. So within 1 or 2 super concise sentences here, you should give them evidence of a couple of ways that you've already been investing in your community or otherwise working toward improving public health. And then you should spend the rest of your 350 characters giving examples of specific ways you want to continue those efforts as a GW Med student. Now, that's probably all you'll have room for, so save anything else you want to say on the topic for number 11. All right, for number 10, the AdCom wants to know what makes you a unique individual. What challenges have you faced? What have you learned from your experiences? You have 750 characters here, not including spaces. So this prompt is a combination of the diversity and the adversity essay types. It's really broad, but it's also very straightforward. So even though there are a lot of different directions that you could take this topic, the objective is very clear here. So with a limit of only 750 characters, it's probably a good idea to tie your uniqueness and your challenging experience together. So for example, you could tell a story about a time when a quality that makes you different from other people posed a challenge for you. Or you could tell a story about a time when one of your unique qualities gave you what you needed to overcome a challenge of some sort. So for this essay, you may also want to read up on the essential characteristics for the successful applicant that GW spells out in their MD program and admissions webpage. They tell you the specific personal and professional qualities that they're looking for in applicants, like altruism, respect, and commitment to advocacy and innovation. And they also specifically state that they're looking for applicants who have extensive experience serving other people and working in collaborative and diverse environments. So if you can tell a story that answers the prompt while also providing evidence that you have some of those essential characteristics, you will be on the right track. There's a lot more that we could cover on diversity and adversity essays, as well as the Why Us essays, which you may have noticed are a big focus of the GW secondary application. So if you're looking for more in-depth explanations and examples of those, you can check out our Med School Secondary Series video playlist by clicking the link at the top of the screen. All right, so now let's have a look at number 11. It asks, what is your specific interest in the MD program at GW? What opportunities would you take advantage of as a student here, and why? Now, thankfully, they give you a whole 1,750 characters, not including spaces, on this one. And as we have already covered, this essay should probably be written alongside number 9, just to make sure that you're really thoroughly answering both prompts without repeating yourself. So in this essay, you can really lay out everything about the program that appeals to you. You definitely do want to focus on specific clinical experiences that caught your eye while you were researching the school, but this essay is also your chance to mention other aspects of the curriculum that align with your career goals and interests. So you might consider reading up on their unique scholarly concentration program, for example, Mentioning specific courses and research opportunities will also really help support your claims for why this is the right program for you. And because this is yet another Why Us essay prompt, it is probably a good idea to also describe how your personal qualities and goals are a perfect match for their school. That way you can show them how you'll reciprocate by investing back in the campus community after gaining lots of knowledge and experience from them. All right, and finally we have number 12, which is more of an optional short answer response, and it asks, have you previously interacted directly with the MD admissions office through events, tours, fairs, webinars, or interviews? Yes or no? If yes, please explain. You have just 250 characters, not including spaces. So if your answer here is yes, they're asking you to tell the story of those interactions with their MD admissions office. It doesn't need to be extensive, but you should describe how those interactions influenced your decision to apply. So for example, did a conversation particularly inspire you? Or did you see something on campus during a tour that really stuck with you? If you can recall names of individuals with whom you had positive interactions, definitely mention them. Not only can this help demonstrate your investment in GW, but if you've already interacted with someone who happens to be on or adjacent to the admissions committee, this is your chance to jog their memory of that interaction. Okay, and then that takes us to the final question, number 13, which is sort of a bonus question. This is only for applicants intending to apply to the MD-MPH program. It reads, do you want to pursue the joint MD-MPH program? Check yes or no. If yes, then please describe why you want to pursue the MD-MPH program and how the combined degree would fit into your career goals. You have 1,500 characters, not including spaces. So after having already written 2 other variations of the Why Us essay in number 7, number 9, and number 11, by the time you get to this prompt, you may be feeling like you've kind of run out of things to say. For this reason, we actually recommend pre-planning the content of this essay alongside the content for your response to numbers 7, 9, and 11. So just outline the major points that you want to make and make sure that you're answering the specific questions in the prompt as closely as possible. It is okay if there's overlap between the responses to these prompts, but each essay should be composed of about 85% or more information that doesn't appear in any of your other essays. With that being said, before you're ready to write, you do need to make sure that you can articulate exactly why you feel that the MPH degree is just as important to your future career goals as the MD degree. So don't just think about your future job title, also think about what problems you want to help solve at a community or a global level and what geographic location and cultural context you may want to work in. It's best if these plans connect somehow with prior experiences that you've already had in a classroom, a research, or a clinical setting. And then if you haven't already, you'll need to spend plenty of time researching the requirements and opportunities available through GW Med's MD-MPH program. So it requires 1 additional year of coursework with a combination of online and in-person courses. They offer several electives in areas like health informatics, global health, climate health, and women, youth, and child health. So as you review your options, just ask yourself, do I see myself running numbers and graphs at a computer? Do I see myself, collaborating with government officials to create new public health initiatives, or leading a humanitarian aid program, or researching the impact of climate change on humans, or something else entirely? AdComs are going to want to know that you have already thought this through and you are fully prepared to go above and beyond the already sky-high demands of an MD program to pursue this additional degree. Okay, and that sums it up for GW. We really hope that you find this useful as you work on your own GW secondaries. And if you're looking for sample essays for each of these prompts, or sample essays for literally every other prompt required by med schools in the US and Canada, check out our Secondary Essay Premium Example Hub. We've got over 1,600 essays in total. Take care.